What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Mola. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to test internet connection in your PS5 Pro gaming console. So the first thing, go to the settings. After that, look for need to work and click on it, and then click on connection status and go down to test internet connection. Once you do that, it's gonna check the IP address, the internet connection, and all of that. And as you guys can see, it's showing successful, which means everything is working good without any issues. So that's it for this video. And also you can check the download speed, which is 341 megabytes per second. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.